How to create new Clash of Clans account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Clash of Clans. You will need to complete all these examples. After you've completed all the trainer examples, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on the gear icon at the bottom right. Click on Disconnected at the top. In here, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Create a new ID. After that, press on Continue. Then, enter your email, re-enter your email and press on Create at the bottom. After you've done that, verification code will be sent to your mail. Copy and paste it in here and press on Submit. After you've done that, select your username and press on Continue. If you don't like it, you can rotate as well. Choose avatar, choose background, and press on Continue. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to create new Clash of Clans account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.